everyone, hi, Mike here, and we're here to do another video where we're going to unbox. Hold on, the dishwasher's going in the background. You can hear it. You can really hear it. Hi everyone, hi again. It's me, Mike, and we're here to do another unboxing video. Except it's not an unboxing video. It's a twist. It's an uncanning video where we will empty the, hold on, where we will unliquefy this can, a Genesee can, which is over 40 years old. Here's how I know. You see that top right there? That's a button top that is circa 1970s, and here we are at 20 lot later. We're like 40 years later, and by the way, this thing is rusted and it's going to bulge out the top, and my dad gave this to me and I want to sell it on eBay, and it could fetch as much as like $4 or so, but if I open it from the bottom, it will have the top intact and maybe even get us up to $7. So I'm going to open it right now, and we will see what's going to happen. Is it going to be rusty? Will it even fizz? When I found beer when I was a young child, and we knew enough to not drink it unless it fizzed. This is really hard while I'm holding the camera. Hold on. And we're back. Okay. And so it's kind of hard to use this can opener thing with one hand, you know. And yeah. Hey, hold on. My kid is sick and she's coughing and it's really distracting. I got to get her to go upstairs. God dang, what the... Okay. So like we were saying, we're going to just punch a hole in it with this. Oh, it still fizzes. Still fizzing after. This can of beer still has a head on it and a little bit of rust, little rust particles in the bottom. Oh my goodness. Genesee, if you want to throw me some endorsement money, I highly endorse your canning practices. Just a tiny bit of rust particles. Look at that head on that thing. And now I'm going to taste it. I didn't really taste it because I ain't dumb. Oh, okay. So thanks for watching, and like click on the thumbs up, and or I think it's even okay if you type a nasty comment, because that's all engagement, and all engagement's good. But just for the record, the 43-year-old beer can from 1970 something till now still has a head on it, and you could buy this thing on eBay. Thanks, subscribe, do it, love each other, bye. Nice bouquet.